As the sun rises in the east to start and adorn the day, so rises the SINAG Liga ASYA Junior World Showcase Philippines Born 2001 for game number 2 of this Sunday. Triple header dito sa SINAG Liga ASYA as we will welcome two titans battling dito nga sa loob ng SM Events Hall in SM SOUTHMALL, Laspinias City. Dito magaganap ang Royal Rumble ng dalawang titans of Philippine basketball, starting with Chris Hubilia, one of the top high school prospects, now donning the jersey of the Parañaque Pelicans. Makakatapat niya dito none other.
Magandang hapon, Enzo, no? And I'm really excited to witness the greatness of Pampanga by Gov Delta, no? And to see more talents here naman sa Pelicans.
Very exciting ball game, and I'm pretty smoked. And Instagram, follow us on TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at SINAG Liga TV. And syempre po, sa mga kabali na nakatutok ngayon, live din po tayo ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Kaya po marami po kayong mapapanood, especially with this battle of the Titans dito nga sa ating laban. But syempre more, we will talk about yung mga participating teams dito sa ating Born 2001 Cup na dagdag na dito itong Pampanga Delta sa lineup. Tapos meron pang isang koponan na hindi pa natin nakikilala, di ba?
Yung nagulat ako na sa sinabi mo.
Tikas ka Pampanga kasi.
Okay, Kapampangan and Santa Rosa Saints, especially San Pedro Maamba Rentals and Parañaque Pelicans, katulad ngayon, and Hassel Rising Suns. And syempre, J Project, Clothing Boomers, and Luwid Kapampangan. Talagang solid ng mga teams na to.
Kaya nga maganda-ganda yung laban. Dalawang koponan pa hindi pa natin nakita. Mamaya Tikas Kapampangan din. Very soon ito ang J Project Clothing Boomers. Very very soon makikita natin sila maglaro dito.
Very soon.
Yan, no? Napahapyaw na. But syempre, let's take a look at the tournament format dito. Paano ba natin gagawin itong tournament natin? We will have the top 2 teams advancing to the semifinals round. Magkakaroon tayo ng single round robin. Rank 3 and 4 teams are on standby. 7 versus 8. 5 versus 6 sa quarterfinals, round 1 knockout game. And then sa quarterfinals 2, rank 3 and 4, twice to beat sila, which will be rank 3 versus the winner of the 7 and 8, rank 4 versus the winner of the 5 and 6. Tapos sa semifinals, single round robin po tayo. And the top 2 teams will qualify for the finals kung saan knockout match tayo. So kumbaga, mahaba man yung tournament format natin, Moore, mabilis pa rin itong tournament natin, diba?
And talaga yung dun sa format natin, talagang makikita natin kung talagang pinag-aralan talaga ng commissioner. Talagang solid na solid. At ngayon, dumadagdag pa si Hubilia. Kaya solid talaga.
Yes, at sa ngayon,